We'll just pour it down the toilet at that point.
Okay. The gauntlet has been drawn.
Okay.
This year, over the course of building this haunted house,
I'll take a whiff.
This was the bathroom. Now this has been sitting out here for 3 months.
All right.
It's more like 4.
More like 4.
God.
And John has accepted the challenge of decorking this beauty and taking a sniff.
I can't even read.
Smells like iced tea.
Let me see.
Smells good.
I'm gonna drink that, man. How much do you give me if I drink it?
Yeah.
Oh, God! Oh! Oh! Of course, I used to work right there, buddy. God! Oh, God!
No winner.
Oh, no, I can't do that.